Hello children, welcome to my channel Learn with Rehnaz and I'm your teacher Rehnaz. So today we are going to do a chapter named Papa Jab Bacche The. So who is a Papa? Papa means father, right? I think you all know this. And Jab Bacche The, that means when he was a little boy or when he was young in his childhood. Okay, so you all must have had this feeling like, when you grow up, like if someone asks you like what do you want to be when you grow up, you have different kinds of opinions, like someone wants to be a doctor, someone wants to be a police, someone wants to be a cricketer, a player, different opinions, different wishes and different things you want to be. So over here also, like a child asked his father like what he wanted to be when he was small. So his father tells him the whole story, like what all he wanted to be when he was small. So come along with me and let's read this chapter and let's find out what his father wanted to be. So let's start by reading the chapter. Papa Jab Bacche The, when Papa was a small kid. Okay. पापा जब छोटे थे तो उनसे अक्सर पूछा जाता था, बड़े होकर तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो. सो पापा जब छोटे थे मीन्स व्हेन ही वाज स्मॉल, तो उनसे मीन्स ही वाज आस्क्ड. ओके, अक्सर पूछा जाता था, अक्सर मीन्स एवरी टाइम. ओके, पूछा जाता था was asked. So when he was small he was asked all the time, बड़े होकर तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो. बड़े होकर when you grow up, बड़े is big, होकर is when you grow up, तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो, what do you want to be. पापा के पास जवाब हमेशा तैयार होता. पापा के पास means with father, जवाब is answer, हमेशा is always, तैयार होता means ready. Papa always used to have an answer ready for this question. मगर उनका जवाब हर बार अलग अलग होता जाता. मगर but उनका जवाब his answers हर बार every time अलग अलग different होता था. It used to be different all the time. Whenever someone asked him the question what do you want to be when you grow up, his answers always used to change. शुरू में पापा चौकीदार बनना चाहते थे. शुरू in the beginning, पापा चौकीदार means watchman बनना चाहता था. He wanted to be a watchman when he wanted to grow up. उन्हें यह सोचना बहुत अच्छा लगता था कि जब सारा शहर सोता है चौकीदार जागता है. उन्हें that is it's referring to his father. यह सोचना बहुत अच्छा, यह सोचना to think of this बहुत अच्छा लगता था. He used to feel very nice. बहुत अच्छा means he used to feel very nice thinking of the thought that he is going to be a watchman. कि जब सारा शहर means the whole city सोता है used to sleep, चौकीदार or the watchman जागता है was to be awake. Okay, so he used to feel nice thinking of that every time when the whole city is sleeping, the chowkidar is or the watchman is being awake. Like he is like a guard, right, watching over the city. So he used to feel nice thinking of the thought that like when the whole city is sleeping, the chowkidar or the watchman is being awake. उन्हें यह सोचना भी अच्छा लगता था कि जब हर कोई सोया हुआ हो वह खूब शोर मचा सकते हैं. And he used to always think that and also think and feel nice that जब हर कोई सोया हुआ हो, like when everyone is sleeping or the whole city is sleeping, वह खूब शोर मचा सकता है. That खूब शोर means he could make a lot of noise. मचा सकता है means like he could do a lot of noise. So he used to feel happy or he used to feel nice of the thought that when everyone is sleeping he can make a lot of noise like whistling usually the chowkidar or the watchman usually whistles and shouts and all that. So he used to feel nice thinking about all that. उन्हें पक्का यकीन था कि वह बड़े होकर वह चौकीदार ही बनेंगे. उन्हें पक्का यकीन, पक्का मीन्स श्योर, यकीन इज बिलीव, था कि बड़े होकर when he grows up वह चौकीदार ही बनेंगे. So he was pretty sure and he was very confident कि when he grows up he will become a चौकीदार. लेकिन एक दिन अपने चटकदार हरे ठेले को लिए आइसक्रीम वाला आ गया. लेकिन बट एक दिन वन डे अपने चटकदार, his चटकदार is like very attractful, हरे ठेले ग्रीन बैग को लिए आइसक्रीम वाला आ गया. So आइसक्रीम वाला आ गया means one ice-cream man came over there. So one day there was a man who was wearing a green color, very colorful and attractive bag, and that man was an ice cream man. So he came over there. भाई वाह, पापा आइसक्रीम वाला बनेंगे. So he saw this and he got attracted towards this man and he said like, oh wow, Papa is going to become an ice cream man. Ice cream वाला बनेंगे means he's going to become an ice cream man. वह ठेले को लेकर घूम भी सकते हैं और जितना मन चाहे उतनी आइसक्रीम भी खा सकते हैं. So this is the innocence of a young boy. Like he is thinking like when he sees different people doing different things and they feel that they are like so lucky that they can do different things. Like when they see a ice cream seller, he feels that he can eat a lot of ice creams. He can take this bag and roam around, and whenever he feels like he can eat an ice cream. That's what we all used to think when we were small. So this boy also is thinking कि वह ठेले को लेकर घूम भी सकते हैं. ठेला is the bag, को लेकर घूम भी सकते means he can roam around. और जितना मन चाहे उतनी आइसक्रीम, जितना मन चाहे, like how much ever he feels, how much ever he wishes, उतना आइसक्रीम भी खा सकते हैं. That much of ice cream he can eat.
पापा ने सोचा मैं एक आइसक्रीम बेचूंगा तो एक खुद खाऊंगा. छोटे बच्चों को तो मैं मुफ्त में आइसक्रीम दिया करूंगा. So पापा ने सोचा, he thought, मैं एक आइसक्रीम बेचूंगा. If I sell one ice cream, तो एक खुद खाऊंगा. Then I'm going to eat one by myself. छोटे बच्चों को तो मैं मुफ्त में, छोटे बच्चे small kids, मुफ्त में is freely आइसक्रीम दिया करूंगा. I'll be giving ice creams. So he thought that I'm going to give ice creams freely to small kids. जब पापा के माता पिता ने यह सुना, when पापा के माता पिता, when his father and mother heard this, यह सुना कि वह आइसक्रीम बेचने वाला बनना चाहता है, that he wanted to be become a ice cream seller, बेचने वाला is seller, तो उन्हें बहुत हैरानी हुई. So they were very surprised. उन्हें यह बात बहुत मज़ेदार लगी. उन्हें, for his parents, यह बात, these words, बहुत मज़ेदार लगी. It sounded very funny for them. और वे खूब हंसे. खूब is very much, हंसे is laughed. They laughed a lot. लेकिन but पापा इसी बात पर means he अड़े रहे is he was stuck on to the same words, like whatever he said that he's going to be a ice cream seller. So he was firm on his words कि वह यही काम करेंगे, that he will do the same work. फिर एक दिन one day रेलवे स्टेशन पर in the railway station पापा ने एक अजीब आदमी को देखा. पापा, अजीब आदमी is a strange man. पापा ने अजीब आदमी को देखा means he saw a strange man. यह आदमी इंजनों और डिब्बों से खेल रहा था. यह आदमी, this man, इंजनों और डिब्बों, इंजन and डिब्बा is compartments, से खेल रहा था. He was playing with that. लेकिन यह डिब्बे और इंजन खिलौना नहीं बल्कि असली थे, असली. But लेकिन is but, this डिब्बा and the compartments खिलौना नहीं, they were not toys, they were real. असली means real. कभी वह प्लेटफॉर्म पर उछल कर आ जाता तो कभी डिब्बों के नीचे चला जाता. कभी समटाइम्स प्लेटफॉर्म पर उछल जाता. प्लेटफॉर्म इज अ प्लेस वेयर यू आर वेटिंग फॉर द ट्रेन. ही विल जंप ऑन टू द प्लेटफॉर्म. उछलना इज जंपिंग. आ जाता और तो कभी और समटाइम्स डिब्बों के नीचे चला जाता. ही विल गो अंडर द कंपार्टमेंट्स. वह कोई बहुत अजीब और मज़ेदार खेल खेल रहा था. He was playing something strange. अजीब strange और मज़ेदार means fun filled. खेल खेल रहा था. So the papa, he thought that he was playing some game which was very strange and it was fun filled. पापा ने पूछा यह कौन है? So papa asked who is this? उन्हें बताया गया. So he was told यह शंटिंग करने वाला है. शंटिंग करने, this is a man who does the shunting. शंटिंग किसे कहते हैं? पापा ने पूछा. So पापा asked shunting, what is shunting called? Like what do you like what is this work like shunting? जब रेलगाड़ी अपनी यात्रा पूरी कर लेती है जब रेलगाड़ी when the train completes its यात्रा or the journey, पूरी कर लेना is completing, तो उसे अगली यात्रा के लिए तैयार करना होता है. तो उसे that means for the train अगली यात्रा के लिए for the next journey तैयार करना होता है. It has to get ready. रेलगाड़ी की साफ सफाई की जाती है. So the रेलगाड़ी is being cleaned. इंजन को घुमाकर ईंधन पानी भरा जाता है. So the engine is turned and the ईंधन पानी or the battery water is filled in that. इसे शंटिंग कहते हैं. This is called as shunting. पापा को बताया गया. पापा was told or explained. बस पापा को पता चल गया कि वह क्या बनेंगे. बस and then पापा was told, पता चल गया. पापा got to know कि वह क्या बनेंगे, what he is going to become. So once he heard about this, he changed his mind and he decided what he is going to be. वह तो रेलगाड़ी के डिब्बों की शंटिंग करेंगे. So he said that he is going to do the shunting work. इससे भी ज़्यादा मज़ेदार और क्या हो सकता है? इससे भी ज़्यादा मज़ेदार like something which is better than this or something which is fun filled. और क्या हो सकता है? What other thing could be? So he was thinking what other job which could be more fun than this. जाहिर है कि कुछ भी नहीं. जाहिर है means it's proved that कुछ भी नहीं, nothing. जब पापा ने कहा कि वह शंटिंग करने वाला बनेंगे तो किसी ने उनसे पूछा. So जब पापा ने कहा when Papa told that he is going to be the man who does the shunting, तो someone asked him, किसी ने पूछा means someone asked him, मगर तुम कहते थे कि तुम आइसक्रीम बेचने का काम करोगे. but you were saying, कहते थे is saying तुम आइसक्रीम बेचने का काम करोगे, that you are going to do the work of an ice cream seller. अब आइसक्रीम बेचने का काम का क्या होगा? अब is now आइसक्रीम बेचने का काम is the work of selling ice cream का क्या होगा? What will happen to the work of selling an ice cream? यह सचमुच समस्या थी. सचमुच means truly, समस्या is a problem. पापा ने शंटिंग करने वाला बनने की सोच ली थी. So Papa had decided that he is going to become a person who does the shunting. सोच ली थी means he had decided. मगर आइसक्रीम बेचने का चटकदार हरा ठेला भी वह नहीं गंवाना चाहते थे. मगर but आइसक्रीम बेचने का चटकदार हरा ठेला, that is the गाड़ी or the van which sells the ice cream, no, that pushing you see the ice cream seller selling the ice cream by pushing in a cart, right? Thela is a cart. So he didn't wanted to even lose that. गंवाना चाहता था. He doesn't wanted to lose that chance also. आखिर उन्होंने रास्ता निकाल दिया. At last he found a way out. रास्ता निकाल लिया. He found a way out or he got an idea. पापा ने जवाब दिया. He answered. जवाब is answered. मैं शंटिंग करने वाला. I'm going to become the person who does the shunting. और and आइसक्रीम बेचने वाला दोनों बनूंगा. I'm going to become the ice cream seller and also the person who does the shunting. सबको बहुत अचंभा हुआ. अचंभा is surprised or they were startled. उन्होंने पूछा, तुम दोनों काम एक साथ कैसे करोगी? So then they asked, how will you do both the work together? दोनों काम, okay? How will you do together? पापा ने कहा, so पापा said, इसमें क्या मुश्किल है? What is so difficult in this? आइसक्रीम मैं सुबह बेचूंगा. सुबह is in the morning. बेचा करूंगा is I will sell in the morning. So आइसक्रीम I will sell in the morning. कुछ देर आइसक्रीम बेचने के बाद, कुछ देर after some time after selling the ice cream, बेचने के बाद is after selling the ice cream, मैं स्टेशन चला जाया करूँगा. I will start going to the station. वहाँ मैं कुछ डिब्बों की शंटिंग करूँगा. Over there, कुछ डिब्बों is few compartments की शंटिंग करूँगा. I will do the shunting of few compartments. और फिर जाकर कुछ आइसक्रीम और बेच आऊँगा. And I will go and sell few ice creams. इसके बाद मैं फिर स्टेशन चला जाऊँगा. After this, I am going to go to the station again. कुछ डिब्बों की शंटिंग कर लूँगा. I will do some shunting of some compartments. इसके बाद जाकर फिर कुछ आइसक्रीम और बेच लूँगा. After this, इसके बाद after this जाकर I will go and फिर कुछ आइसक्रीम और बेच लूँगा. I will go sell some more ice cream. इसमें ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं होगी क्योंकि अपना ठेला मैं स्टेशन के पास ही खड़ा करूँगा. इसमें ज़्यादा मुश्किल there is no difficulty in this. नहीं होगा is I won't find any difficulty in this क्योंकि because अपना ठेला the cart मैं स्टेशन के पास ही खड़ा रखूँगा. I will park it near the station. और इसलिए गाड़ियों के लिए मुझे ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाना पड़ेगा. And because of this I don't have to go next to the cars because I don't have to walk too far to sell the ice creams. सब लोग फिर हंस पड़े. So everyone started laughing. हंसना is laughing. पापा गुस्से में आकर बोले. So पापा was very angry. गुस्सा is angry. अगर तुम मेरी हंसी उड़ाओगे तो मैं साथ में चौकीदार भी बन जाऊंगा. अगर तुम if you मेरी हंसी उड़ाओगे that means if you make fun of me तो मैं साथ में so along with that मैं चौकीदार भी बन जाऊंगा. I will become the चौकीदार or the watchman also. आखिर रात में करने के लिए होता ही क्या है? आखिर at last रात में in the night करने के लिए to do होता ही क्या है? What is the work which I have to do in the night? There is no work. So I will be the watchman at the night. सभी कुछ तय हो गया लेकिन एक दिन पापा को वायुयान चालक बनने की सूझी. So सभी कुछ तय हो गया that means everything was decided लेकिन but एक दिन one day पापा को वायुयान चालक बनने की सोची. वायुयान चालक means he wanted to become a pilot. Okay, he thought of that. Okay, to become a pilot. इसके बाद after this उन्होंने अभिनेता बनने की सोची. अभिनेता is actor. He wanted to become an actor. इसके अलावा वह जहाज़ी भी बनना चाहते थे. जहाज़ी is a sailor. So other than this, इसके अलावा is other than this, he wanted to become a sailor. कम से कम वह चरवाहा बनकर लाठी हिलाते हुए कम से कम at least वह चरवाहा is shepherd बनकर लाठी हिलाते means to shake, to move a stick. Okay, लाठी is a stick what the shepherds will hold in their hand. गायों के पीछे घूमते हुए अपने दिन बिताने तो चाहते ही थे. So he wanted to hold a stick in his hand and graze take the cows for graze, and he wanted to walk behind the cows and then take them for graze, and he wanted to spend his whole day like that. अंत में एक दिन उन्होंने तय किया कि वह असल में जो बनना चाहते हैं वो है कुत्ता. So अंत में at last एक दिन one day उन्होंने तय किया he decided कि वह असल में in reality, असल is reality, जो बनना चाहते थे what he wanted to become was कुत्ता. कुत्ता is a dog. उस दिन वह दिन भर चारों हाथ पैरों पर इधर उधर भागते हुए अजनबियों पर भौंकते रहे. उस दिन, that day, वह दिन भर, the whole day, चारों हाथ पैरों पर, that is on his 4 hands, like 2 hands and 2 legs. He was walking on his 2 hands and 2 legs, and like a dog, you know, he was walking around like that, and he was walking around here and there, idhar udhar, here and there. भागते हुए अजनबियों पर भौंकते रहे. अजनबियों is strangers. भौंकते रहे is he used to bark at them, bark at the strangers. एक बूढ़ी महिला ने, बूढ़ी महिला is one old lady, उनके सिर को सहलाना चाहा. She wanted to move her hand on his head, like, you know, like how we pet the dogs. तो पापा ने उन्हें काटने की कोशिश तक की. तो पापा tried to, काटना is to bite, कोशिश is he tried to bite that lady. पापा ने भौंकना तो बड़ी अच्छी तरह से सीख लिया. भौंकना is to bark, अच्छी तरह is very nicely, सीख लिया means he learned to bark at them very nicely. लेकिन but बहुत कोशिश करने पर भी, after trying a lot, वह अपने पैर से कान के पीछे खुजाना नहीं सीख पाया. After trying this, he could not, पैर से कान के पीछे means with his leg, he could not scratch at the back of his ears. कान is ears, पीछे is back. खुजाना is to scratch. नहीं सीख पाए, he did not learn. So he learned how to bark and walk on his 4 legs, but then he could not. He tried to, you know, scratch behind his ears with his leg. उन्होंने सोचा कि अगर वह बाहर जाकर अपने पालतू कुत्ते के साथ बैठ जाएं, तो शायद वह कान के पीछे खुजाना ज़्यादा जल्दी सीख जाएंगे. तो उन्होंने सोचा, he thought, अगर, if, वह बाहर जाकर, if he goes out and अपने पालतू कुत्ता means the dog which they have as a pet, के साथ बैठ जाएं, if he sits along with that dog, तो शायद वह कान के पीछे, so at that time maybe that he will try to learn how to scratch behind the ears very fast. Okay, जल्दी सीख जाएंगे means very fast he will learn. पापा कुत्ते के पास जाकर बैठ गए. So पापा he went and sat along with that dog. उसी वक्त एक अजनबी फौजी अफसर उधर से निकला. उसी वक्त, at that time, एक अजनबी फौजी, अजनबी is a stranger, फौजी is an army man. Okay, अफसर, army officer, उधर से निकला, he went from there. वह खड़ा होकर पापा को देखने लगा. He stood up and he looked at the father. Okay, वह पापा, वह उन्हें कुछ देर तक देखता रहा और फिर उसने पूछा, यह तुम क्या कर रहे हो? So that man, he looked at, कुछ देर तक, you know, for some time he looked at पापा, देखता रहा और फिर उसने पूछा, and then he asked, यह तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? पापा ने जवाब दिया. So पापा answered, मैं कुत्ता बनना सीख रहा हूँ. I am trying to be a dog. तब फौजी ने पूछा, so that time फौजी asked, तुम कुत्ता बनना क्यों चाहते हो? Why do you want to become a dog? पापा ने कहा, he answered, क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी दिन तक इंसान बनकर रह चुका हूँ. Because काफ़ी दिन तक, for a long time, इंसान बनकर, I have become a, इंसान means human, बनकर रह चुका हूँ. I have already learned, or I have already started living as a human for a long time. अफसर ने कहा, बात तो सही है. So the officer replied, what you're saying is right. पर क्या तुम जानते भी हो कि इंसान किसे कहते हैं? But what you said is right. Okay. पर क्या तुम जानते भी हो? Do you know कि इंसान किसे कहते हैं? Do you know whom do we call as humans? पापा ने पूछा, मुझे तो नहीं पता, आप ही बता दीजिए. So पापा said, I don't know. आप ही बता दीजिए means you, can you please tell? अफसर ने कहा, इसके बारे में तुम अपने आप सोचो. इसके बारे में means about this, तुम अपने आप सोचो. You think by yourself. अफसर वहां से चला गया. So that officer, police officer, he went from there. वह न तो हंसा और न मुस्कुराया. He did not हंसा is laugh और he did not smile. मुस्कुराया is smile. पापा सोचने लगी. So पापा started to think. वह सोचते ही रहे. So he kept thinking. अफसर ने उन्हें कोई बात भी नहीं समझाई थी, पर अचानक ही यह बात पापा की समझ में आ गई कि वह रोज रोज अपना इरादा नहीं बदल सकते. So the officer did not say anything or he did not make him understand anything, but suddenly Papa understood. Okay, पापा की समझ में आ गई. Papa understood that रोज रोज every day अपना इरादा, that his decision नहीं बदल सकते. He should not be changing his decision. अगली बार जब उनसे यही सवाल पूछा गया तो उन्हें अफसर की याद आ गई. So the next time when someone asked him, okay, यही सवाल, the same question when someone asked him that what you wanted to become, तो he thought of this officer और उन्होंने कहा मैं इंसान बनना चाहता हूँ. And he said that I want to become a human being. इस बार कोई भी नहीं हंसा. So at that time no one laughed. पर पापा समझ गए कि यही सबसे अच्छा जवाब है. And he understood that this was the very good answer what he could give. आज भी वह यही समझते हैं. Today also he thinks of the same thing. पहली बात तो यही है कि हमें अच्छा इंसान बनना चाहिए. So he understood that the first thing what we have to do is we have to learn to be a good human being. So this is written by Alexander Ruskin. So this is a story I hope you all have understood, and this is a very interesting and a very nice story where we get to learn that we have to become a good human being first, and only then we can try to be something else. So this man had different thoughts, and he actually what the other person, the officer, said was to try to become a good human. So he understood that he has to become a good human being first. That has to be your motive in life. I hope you all have understood this chapter.
If you have any doubts or clarification, you can just leave a message in the comment box below. And until my next video, please take care.
I hope you liked the video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for all the videos I upload. Take care.